Hey Rachel, have you seen the news lately? More companies are starting to bring employees back to the office.
Yeah, I saw that. Honestly, I think it's a good thing. People are more productive in the office, don't you think?
I don't really agree. I think people can be just as productive working from home, sometimes even more.
I see your point, but in the office, you can communicate better with your team. It's faster to solve problems face to face.
That's true, but at home, people can focus without so many distractions, no commuting, no noisy coworkers.
Maybe. But not everyone has a quiet space at home to work. Some people struggle with that.
That's a fair point. But still, I think people should have the option to choose. What works for one person might not work for another.
I agree with that. Flexibility is important. But some companies are saying that team spirit is lower with remote work.
That might be true for some teams, but others are using tools like video calls and chat apps to stay connected.
But don't you think it's harder to build relationships with coworkers online?
Maybe a little, but it's not impossible. I think it depends on the effort people make.
I guess we both have valid points. What do you think is the best solution?
Honestly, I think hybrid work is the way to go. A few days at home, a few in the office.
I actually agree with that. It gives people a balance. Not too isolated, not too busy.
Exactly. Plus, people save money on gas and lunch when working from home.
True. And companies can even save on office space.
So, maybe we didn't fully disagree after all.
Right. Sometimes talking helps us see both sides better.
Absolutely. It's good to share opinions, even when we don't agree at first.
I totally agree with that.